Hey there, it's Mark Ling here, and in this video we're going to look at editing the About Us page. So we'll click on About Us, and I'm just going to write some data in. Here at greatlifehappiness.com, we are dedicated to making other people's lives better. If you're focused on a certain demographic, then you could write about it in here. And in our case, it's mostly going to be products for women looking for men. So we might say the vast majority of our readers are women who want to improve their love lives. We aim to empower them with a growth mindset and to improve their lives as a whole, not just in relationships, but as but in all areas. We believe strongly in, and then you could state, we believe strongly that 1, all women deserve love. 2, all men deserve love. 3, it's vital to become the best you that you can be in order to become the most attractive version of yourself. Self-confidence is very important in any relationship, and nobody deserves to be a doormat. The more good that you spread in the world, the more comes back to you in multitude. We believe that it's important that women and men inspire each other to be the best versions of themselves, and that means supporting them even if their dreams feel risky to you. I should say, even if their dreams don't always resonate with yours. Did I spell that right? Resonate? Anyway, that'll do. We are committed to making the world a better place and to bring more love into it. We are based in, and then you could put your location down if you want to. You don't have to, in fact, or you could put your shipping address if you want to as well. Our mailing address is, in my case, I've got a US mailing address. You can get one at myus.com if you're out of the US and you want it to forward to you in whatever country you're in. So in my case, I already own this address at myus.com, so I just put that there. Our mailing address is blah. Or feel free to use to contact us through our email to our contact us page, and then I can highlight that, and I can go link, and then I can do greatlifehappiness.com/contact us. I think that's the link. I can double check it anyway by clicking it there. I'll just update it first, and then let's see, that should load up on a separate page. Oops, so it's not /contact us, maybe it's contact -us. That's it. So now make sure I use the dash in there. So I just put edit that, contact -us. That's correct. Great. So now I've got an About Us page done. Update. And I can click Save. I've updated it, saved it, and that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next